Hello everyone. Want to change the default font in Google Sheets so it's always your style? I've got to you a quick trick to make it happen. So first start by opening our new Google Sheet. This will be your custom template where we will set your default font. Now click the square in the top left corner to select the entire sheet. Then go to the toolbar, choose your favorite font size and any other style you like bold, italic, colors. Totally your call. Once it looks good, rename the sheet something like my default sheet and keep it saved in your Google Drive. This will act as your personal template. Next time you need new sheet, just right click on this one in your drive and choose a make a copy. That way it keeps your default font and style every time. And that's how you change the default font in Google Sheets. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more Google tips and comment below with your favorite font.